try this. You ready? Here. What is that? Oh, put it right on your tongue. What do you think? Oh, spit it right out. And try again. Oh, that's not so bad, is it? That's not so bad, is it? Here. Good job. Well, he likes it.
He does like it.
He's biting.
Some more.
He's biting. Here, hold on. There's more. Oh, ow. Oh, Jesus. Well, he may be slow to take the bottle, but he's about to take my whole finger with the turkey. I guess he just is a carnivore. Come here, little carnivore. Come here. Come here, little. Oh my goodness, he's not messing around at all.
Yeah, he was the easiest one there.
Look at that. He's biting.
Good job.
That was a really good job. I think he likes this more than the bottle. All right, now.